This is a quick video on how to change the batteries on a Dell T0179 wireless mouse. You'll flip the mouse over and you'll notice a notch in the cover. You'll put your fingernail in the recess above the notch, push down, and then while you're pushing down you'll lift up at an angle towards you. Remove the cover. From there you can remove the batteries. They can be kind of tricky, so the easiest way to do it is you kind of cup your hand and you want to hit the mouse over your hand. Not too hard. Hard enough to dislodge the batteries and kind of align it so the batteries go in the cup of your hand. It's a lot easier than trying to pull them out with your fingernail. And then it's a little bit hard to tell because of the coloring of the plastic and everything, but the batteries go in opposite directions. So you'll notice these springs. The springs are for the flat side or the negative side of the battery. So you'll put the battery in with the flat side towards the spring, push down against the spring, and then push the battery into the mouse. Do the same thing on the other one. You just take the cover and you push it down. You may have to push down kind of at an angle on this spot with the notch so it'll go in properly, just like that. But hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.